You like hot dogs? I know I do. You like chili dogs? That's even better. Today we're going to be doing a chili dog casserole. This is going to be a simple treat for the entire family. If you live alone, you get to eat chili dogs all week long. This is going to be awesome. Here are the ingredients that are going to be going into this recipe. Nice and simple, easy, very few items. Getting started, I've already dumped 2 cans of pre-made chili into a bowl. Now, you want to make your own chili? Fabulous. I will have a link at the end of this video to my recipe for homemade chili. There's going to be a video all about it. Second best chili in the world. I don't know who's got the first, but I'm going to go ahead and claim the second. Next, we're going to be putting slices of hot dogs in there. Just little bitty bites. Now, if you have small kids in the family, you might take the hot dogs, slit them lengthwise before you cut them up, just because we don't want anybody choking on hot dogs. Before I get anybody telling me, well, didn't Gunner get a sample? He's not getting a sample of the chili, but I will give him a sample of a hot dog. Gunner, come here. Come here, buddy. Here you go. There, so stay off my back. Put those right into the bowl here. Now I'm gonna be cutting up. Recipe calls for about 8 of these, but I've got the foot longs, so I'm gonna be using like 6. And yes, I am using all beef hot dogs. Get these all kind of blended together in here, because you're gonna want a hot dog in every bite, right? Darn right you are. Now I've got a 9 by 12, maybe 9 by 13 baking dish that I've already pre-greased. And I have preheated the oven to 375 degrees. I'm going to be dropping our chili hot dog mix into the baking dish. Get that all smoothed out. On top of that, I'm going to be spreading about 1.5 to 2 cups of cheese. Get that good and spread out, because what's a good chili cheese hot dog without lots of cheese? Now we're going to set this aside for a moment. Bring our cutting board back. I've got some biscuits here. Now these are kind of the buttery biscuits, so I think they've already got a little bit of butter in them. And we're going to be quartering these. After they're quartered, I'm going to stick them in the bowl, because we're about to get them greased. You can use butter if you wish. I just think it's going to be quicker if I just kind of spray them with some grease. It's just to kind of help brown them up when they're in the oven. These biscuits are taking the place of our buns. Now, could you make your own biscuits? Because yes, biscuits are very simple. And yes, I happen to have a recipe for simple, very few ingredient biscuits. I'm also going to link that at the end of this video as well. So if you want to be making your own chili and your own biscuits, that'll make this even more awesome. So be sure to wait around to the end to catch the links for those. Now, if you're liking the video so far, consider giving me a like down below. Maybe if you're on a mobile phone, hit that hype button. Really kind of helps the channel out. I am trying to get to 100,000 subscribers. So please help me with this. Gonna put a little spray on these with some olive oil. Mix these up just a little bit. Then I'm gonna be putting those onto our mixture. Just gonna start scattering these about. Gotta get them spread out the best you can. These are gonna go a long way in here. That is looking terrific. Into the oven, as I say, 375 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. I'm gonna start out at 25 minutes, see how it looks at that point, and we'll give it a little quick judge at that time, and I will be right back. Fresh out of the oven, chili cheese hot dog casserole. and it's looking great. Check this out. Looks really good, doesn't it? And what could go better with it than tater tots and cherry limeade? Let's have a little helping here. Ooh, smells just like chili dog. I mean, this is really incredible. So how's this taste? Make sure I get some of those hot dogs in here. I'm serious. You have got to try this. The whole family's gonna love this. It's a quick weeknight meal. Takes you out to the ballpark. See you next week. Don't forget, leave me some comments. I love those comments. And help me reach 100,000 subscribers. Until next week, bye-bye.